So much exciting stuff this year. Beyond the big announcements we've made around 11AX, where we were first to market with a whole new generation of Wi-Fi 6 products, we're really starting to showcase our strengths in IoT, which is creating a lot of differentiation for us by being able to converge multiple different networks onto the Ruckus Wi-Fi networks. CBRS is another huge focus for us this year. This is the year when we really start to expect CBRS to show up in mainstream deployments, whether that's in mainly in private LTE environments, but potentially also some industrial IoT environments. And then we've had a major focus in the last year or so on building out our analytics capabilities. So towards the end of this year, we'll start to showcase some of our new cloud analytics capabilities. So it's a year that's going to be full of new, expansive technology announcements and some really big product announcements as well. So from an enterprise perspective, the continuing need for higher density, better performance, our customers these days, full use of streaming video in the workplace. So that puts a strain on your traditional Wi-Fi networks that weren't designed to carry that load. So that's why things like 11AX or Wi-Fi 6 are going to be so important this year. And being at the forefront of that, time to market wise, is going to position us, I think, in really, really well. And the fact that upgrade to Wi-Fi 6 is going to require a commensurate upgrade on the switch network for multi-gig means that we're ideally positioned with our ICX platform as well. So a complete wired to wireless multi-gig transition, and we see that happening in pretty much all of our major enterprise categories. Citywide for us means smart cities, and that continues to be a major focus. We see globally more and more government funding of public Wi-Fi, which is really the precursor or the foundation for any smart city deployment. So whether it's in India or in parts of Western Europe or the United States, we're seeing continued build out of services for citizens, for taxpayers, to improve their overall experience, whether that's just interacting with government organizations, whether it's just roaming on public Wi-Fi networks for tourists. There continues to be a high demand for outdoor public Wi-Fi as that foundation for a smarter city. Well, for us, 5G it is a journey. So we've started by identifying the need for private LTE networks, and so that's why we've been emphasizing and leading with CBRS LTE for private network deployments. So that is the foundation for us to really move from a pure unlicensed Wi-Fi network solutions company into more of an LTE full service networking company where LTE serves certain purposes and 5G will be a logical evolution of that. Every year I cease to be amazed with just how much innovation and excitement there is in our space. I mean, there's this undaunted need for more and more bandwidth, more and more capacity to support the kind of applications that people are expecting to use, and the expectations that people in the workplace have now for the same user experience that they have in their home. Simplicity, ease of use, great connectivity. So there's lots of innovations, CBRS, IoT, analytics being just a few to mention, but we don't see any slowdown in the rate of innovation in our space, and we feel we're really well positioned to take advantage of all those trends.